Hello, I thought this design was really nice. I like the apples a lot, although the color looks a little bit like tomato. Do you see what I mean? I think if you uh, get that red and make it a little more magenta, it'll look like less of a tomato. Or as I'm talking to you, maybe what's giving me the tomato vibe is the stem. It looks like it's more of a vine that was pulled off. Do you see what I mean? If you fill that in and make it look a little more like a leaf, I think the tomato vibe will be gone. Also consider putting like a little stem going in the other direction. That might be the easiest thing to do. But I really like the design. The white on there is perfect, a great font. The main critique I have is that it's sort of hard to read a black style font, and not the color black, but it's the bold above bold is called black. So I would experiment with the body copy font. I do get that you need something pretty heavy so that it's easy to read, but continue to play with the font. I think, let's see, let's go into font. Something just a little more, a little less heavy. So I like the sans serif. I like that I like the size. I just think that the font is a little clunky. You see what I mean? So let me type in after apple pickin'. See what we end up with. So you want something heavy that isn't going to get lost with the bright dark background. Maybe something like this. Something that's a little easier to read, a little thinner. You don't have to go super thin. Like something like this, I think would get lost in the gradient. And you do need something with a little heft, but maybe not this heavy. All right, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know.